Hello everyone, it's Rita from Rita's Witchcraft. Hope everyone is doing really well. I'm here in my house in Australia and I managed to get some sewing done and I thought I'd share with you what I've made. This is the Love Lotions Classic Tea. I'll show you the photo of what the photo's like, the pattern's like. It's just a classic tee. I just made this one here, the basic one with a round neck. You've also got a V-neck and just a crew neck. I made it a size a little bit smaller only because I am losing weight, and so I thought I'd like to not have it too big on me eventually, so because I've got quite a few big clothes, so I thought I'd make it a little bit small, but unfortunately I think it's a little bit too small and I need some clothes while I'm here in Australia. So it's a lot colder than I expected, so I need something with that I can just wear a jacket over the top. That's another reason why I made it a little bit tight. The sleeves have turned out quite tight, but I have got big biceps, so I should have made them a little bit bigger. I'm gonna keep, I think the size on the body is not too bad, but I'm going to widen and do a bicep adjustment for the sleeve. I have used a full bust adjustment pattern that comes with the pattern, and very easy to make. It took me a couple of hours from where to go, from cutting it out to sewing it up. The sewing it up was probably the easiest and the most fun, obviously, but I think it turned out really nice. It's just a piece of old fabric I had. I just had a small piece, so I thought I would just quickly make a t-shirt for myself while I'm here in Australia, and I really like it. I like the black and white. I think it's quite flattering, and it's going to be great for under a cardigan because it's really cold here. So it's November. We should have got some. When I first arrived, we had 27 degrees, which was amazing. And then it started getting cold, and it's been like 15 degrees and it's been freezing. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. I'm going to stop this video, and once I finish this one, and I'm actually going to go off and do a Temu haul, so you'll see me on another video. This one's just a quick one, just to show you what I made with my Love Notions patterns with the classic t-shirt. Highly recommend it. It often comes out as well on a no, actually it is permanently on a $5 American dollar sale. So you could just go to their website and it's always $5. So it's really worth having. It's a nice and easy pattern. I like the height of this as well. It's quite a good height, especially through a bit cooler months. I'm actually going to do one with long sleeves as well, because I could see myself using this a lot through the winter when I go back to Germany. So anyway, lovely chatting to you, and hopefully you will like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Ciao for now. Love you and leave you. Ciao.